Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A13. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and enter Display. Now we've got all settings for our display right here in this menu. Let's start with the top of the list, where we can change between light and dark mode. Manage dark mode, for example, you can schedule it between sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. You can change brightness level of your display, enable or disable adaptive brightness, eye comfort shield, change font size and style, enable bold font and disable it. Then you can change screen zoom, manage full screen apps for aspect ratio and camera cutout, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, manage navigation bar, for example you can set buttons or swipe gestures, change button order, or enable or disable gesture hint and show button to hide keyboard. Then you can enable or disable touch sensitivity and set screensaver. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.